Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a stunning 3-year-old SEAT Ibiza that has only covered 12,000 miles. Now this is a 1 litre TSI SE technology with the satellite navigation system and is in absolutely fantastic condition. So this short little video will show you some of the car's features, and I'll make my apologies for the beautiful sunshine that we've got at the moment, because it does make some of these videos a little harder to try and show you, but I'll do my best. Now the Ibiza has always been one of our best selling models, so it's now become the smallest car in our range, but it still has enough space for 5 people and a very good size boot as well. Plenty of depth in there, the ability to drop the seats forward to create a bit more space. Rear parking sensors, that's now a standard feature on the Ibiza range, as well as what they call a park pilot. So when you engage reverse gear, which I'll show you in a moment, it does give you a visual display as well as an audio display. Then jumping into the front, the main thing you notice is the big media navigation screen. They've jazzed up the inside with the mustard colour vent surrounds, and here is the media system. So when you go inside, if you want to just plug and play, then you can turn it on and listen to the radio, connect your mobile phone, but it also, if you want to, you can get a bit more involved by running Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, changing the view like now to a split screen display, or if you want to go into more of the car's features, you can go into some of the assisted systems, so which includes things like lane assist as well as the pre-collision sensors. Now I say, it's hard to believe that this car is 3 years old because of its condition, but I say it's been very, very well looked after. I'm just going to pop it into reverse so you can see the rear parking. There you go. So that's the rear park display, as well as the beeps that will come on. Cruise control is a standard feature, as well as a speed limiter as well. But yeah, 12,084 miles, that's all this one has covered. Now this car will leave us with a 12-month warranty. We're also happy to discuss financing, be it on a PCP or an HP agreement. So if you'd like any more information, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye for now.